Hello guys, I hope you fine. Today, I'm shopping sites review. Top 5 online best shopping sites in world 2022. As of today, a large number of people are reliant on online shopping for their needs. The wave started off in America and slowly gained inkling around the world. As of today, it is slowly spreading in third world countries such as India and China. It is bound to create ruffles to a point where it will silence everyone and slowly become a habit. Let's start. Number 1. Amazon. Amazon.com is a website customized for each country separately. From Amazon India to Amazon Australia, everything is available for the consumer. In fact, Amazon is competition for all the local online shopping portals everywhere, including in a giant country like India. Thus, Amazon has been doing great so far and has been raking in huge profits from all of its customers. Number 2. Walmart. Walmart is another biggest online shopping site in the world. Check out walmart.com for everyday low prices, free shipping on orders 35 or pick up in store and get a pickup discount. Open a Walmart credit card to save even more. Don't be surprised. Yes, Walmart has an online shopping website. It has a large number of products available online as well. In fact, the number of products that are available at Walmart offline are also available at Walmart online. Hence, you can go ahead and shop as much as you like on Walmart's online portal. No longer will you have to wait in the long queues at Walmart. All you have to do is merely sit at home and buy all your stuff by clicking and clacking. Number 3. eBay. eBay is an amazing concept. It is a website where any random person is free to sell off their goods, and at the same time, newcomers are welcome to sell brand new goods as well. Thus, at times, one may come across the weirdest of goods that are sold online. Go ahead and find whatever you want on eBay. If you haven't found it anywhere else in the world, then chances are that you will find it on eBay. Number 4. Alibaba. Alibaba is also one of the popular online shopping portals, and it lets you buy a large number of products from its portal. It is an immensely popular website amongst the masses and one that has been extensively used as well. Alibaba is a gravely famous website with the people of the world. It has a large variety of products ranging from biology to agriculture to chemicals, and everything shall be delivered at your doorstep. Once you have placed your order, the procedure and the payment methods are fairly convenient, and you will easily have access to the items that you have ordered. Number 5. Target. This was supposed to be a local American shopping portal, but it delivers across the world as of now. It sells a large number of products and is popular among the masses too. A large number of people are Target.com loyalists and do not buy from anywhere else. These people are why Target is still up, running, and popular. The owner of Target must definitely be a visionary to have come up with something like that. Even today, Target is the go-to online shopping portal for an extremely large number of customers. Also check out link in description online shopping website. Thanks for watching this video. Like and leave comments, subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care, see you, bye.